Lost access to your MetaMask wallet? Don't panic. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to recover it, step by step, in just a few minutes. MetaMask recovery is possible as long as you have your secret recovery phrase. That's the 12-word phrase you were given when you first set up your wallet. Here's what to do. Go to the official MetaMask website at metamask.io and install the extension on your browser or download the app on your phone. Open MetaMask and click Get Started, then select Import an existing wallet. Enter your 12-word secret recovery phrase in the correct order, using all lowercase letters with a space between each word. Create a new password to protect your wallet on this device. Then click Import. Your wallet is now restored. You should see your balance and tokens right away. If your balance shows 0, don't worry. Your tokens may just need to be added manually using their contract addresses. And remember, never share your secret recovery phrase with anyone. Not a website, not a support agent, not anyone. That phrase is the only key to your funds. That's it for today on ClearTask. If this helped you, hit that like button and subscribe for more clear, simple crypto guides. See you in the next one.